Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? How you been? I'm coming at you every day. I will come at you and then be gone for months at a time. Now it's in full effect. I'm coming at you guys every day. Great products I found at the 99 cent store. You guys know I have my 99 cent store vlogs up that I post once a week, once every 2 weeks or whatnot. Listen, I've come across an amazing brand at the 99 cent store, okay? Let's just jump right on into this. I'm going to do swatches and everything, all that good stuff, okay? It's 3 palettes, like 4 lip colors, a blush, and some eye stuff. Original brand is called Smoke and Mirrors. Tell me that's not the cutest packaging you've ever seen. That's like mad cute. Now keep in mind, all of these products are 99 cents a piece. Sometimes with tax, sometimes without tax. So sometimes it's like, oh, it's 108, but then sometimes it's like, nope, it's 99 cents even. So I'm not exactly sure how that goes, but listen, Smoke and Mirrors, adorable packaging. I originally did a video. Most of the lip glosses are open, and one of the eyeshadow palettes are open because I originally did this video about 2 weeks ago, and the footage disappeared. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why, it just did. So moving on. Originally, all these lip glosses were in a package like this. They do not have, and like years and years and years ago, all they had were the lip glosses. Couple years come up, now they've got palettes. Couple years come up, today, they've got like I said, all these different things, okay? So, lip things. When I first saw the Smoke and Mirror brand in 99 cent store, it was a long time ago. I really wasn't into lips. It was this color. You see how there's nothing there. It's just a tube and then the top. It was in a package like this, but it didn't have anything on it. It's possible that the name of it was on the box right here, but I don't remember. I just opened the box and played with it, right? This color is Sandy. I believe this is the same color. And it came in a box like that, but I can't remember the name on the box. But this is Sandy. So let's just go ahead and swatch Sandy for you guys. And this color specifically is a matte. Let's see, what does it say here? On the actual, it says Smoke and Mirrors Velvet Matte Lip Gloss. That's what it says, and this is Sandy. The color that I don't have a name for is like a beautiful mauve color. Like a go-to, oh no, this one's more brick. This is not mauve. This is a beautiful fall, winter brick color. Y'all see that? So especially for y'all that are my skin complexion, this is going to be a perfect swatch game for y'all so y'all can know exactly how it's going to look on that golden brown melanin. Like I said, I wish that it had the color on there, but it doesn't. This is the metallic lip gloss. Poppin', okay? This I'm going to probably have to tone down and like pair with something. When I tell you poppin' or an eyeshadow or something like that, P-O-P, poppin', okay? P-I-N, right. Anyway, the next metallic color is, it looks like either the same brick color or like a red. And this is pretty much like a mauve red brick color. Y'all look how beautiful these are swatching for only 99 cents. I'm excited to see what they look like when they dry down. I have worn, like I said, this pinkish light color, which is probably Sandy, and then this purple brick, tripping, and then this red brick light color. I have worn these 2 colors, and when I tell you the staying power is unreal, like you have to, originally when I did swatches on my hand, I had to wash and wash and wash, and still after a shower, after washing my hands consistently, after the kids, after washing my hands a couple of times and scrubbing right after the video to get the swatches off my hand, they went nowhere. When you put this stuff on, you might want to make sure that it's something that you want to wear for a little while, because I can't guarantee that they're going to come off, because that's how long these swatches, that's how long the swatches stayed on my hand, and they stayed on my lip for quite a while as well. So those are the 4 lip glosses. Let's move on to the eyeshadows. I'm not going to open this one because I'm going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon. We are over 100 subscribers. Get it, oh, get it. I whip my hair back in, here. Let's bring it in. Let's move on to the blush. Since there's only one blush. This is a single eyeshadow. How about we do that? Eyeshadow Morocco. This is so highly pigmented and long wearing. Blends easily and lightweight, ultra pigmented, long lasting. The S&M is for the smoke and mirrors. So cute. That's what all the information I just gave you is what's on the bottom of the box here. And let's go ahead and open it up. I might just have to go cop some of these for my giveaway as well. You know what I mean? Because these are gorgeous. And plus I'm rubbing on, my hand all on these. So, okay. It's very soft. It's not patchy at all. It seems like there might be a bit of fallout. But that's the least to be expected. Can you guys see the color payoff there? It's kind of soft, a little bit softer than I expected, but it's still really pretty. And this is their single shadow, okay? Packaging's really cute. Like I said, this one came in a box as well, but I took it out the box already. The name of this palette right here, look how beautiful these colors are. Dreamcatcher, Dreamcatcher is the name of it. And it also names the shadows. They have cute names like Crystal Flame, Robin, Spotlight, Prom Night, and Cappuccino. Let's go ahead and open this one and do it because it's got me really excited. Highly pigmented and long wearing. Dreamcatcher palette. All right. These are the swatches. Starting from the shiny side, we've got Crystal, Flame, Robin. Robin is going to be that gold there. Spotlight is going to be that green. Prom Night is going to be that red. And then Cappuccino is the brown, if you can even see it. All of the color payoff here is really nice. Of course, the metallics are showing the best. But the flame here, that's still not bad. And this is just with my complexion. Of course, if you're more fair skin than I am, the color payoff is going to be probably a bit better for you guys. Let's move on to the next palette. This palette just says Bright Shadows. And we're going to go down the line here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them, and then I'm going to pop them up for you guys and read them. They are not coming off chalky at all. The color payoff is unreal. Like, these things are swatching like some very high-end brand. Oh, this one is swatching even better than the other one. Look at the color payoff, y'all. This is a 99-cent palette. Okay, you're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows for 99 cents. Let's start with Honey, Dusty Rose, Holiday, Cotton Candy Blue, Mint Fresh, and Skinny Dip. Moving on to Rose Gold Shadows. That's what this palette is. And once again, this is the third. They had, at the end of the video, I strolled. At the end of the video, you'll see the things, other things the Smoke and Mirror brand carried that I just didn't want to pick up. Which I think there were 3 other palettes, but I have so many of those shades in different, names and different brands and singles and different palettes and stuff like that. I just did not want to double up because I'm trying to minimize what I got going. So look forward to these videos of me purging and decluttering and stuff like that. I don't have anywhere near as much as most, but believe me, I have more than enough for myself and some, okay? So, waste not, want not. If you guys know me, save your dollar. The less you waste, the more you'll have. So, I plan on giving a lot away, but a lot of this stuff is also kind of old. So, I plan on throwing a lot away. So, that's going to be super, super fun. I hope you guys join me for... Oh, look at that. I just rubbed my hand on the towel. Some of the swatch was not dry, but look at that. You guys see that? Not budging. And these are the 99-cent lip glosses, okay? Telling you, don't skip on the 99-cent store. Anyway, rose gold shadows. That's what this palette is. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. 3 metallics, 3 mattes shades. Okay, y'all, look how beautiful this is. Look how, I hope my light is not like washing out all this beautiful color right here. Let's start from the shiny side. It is Shy, Enhance, where are we at? Yep. Enhance, Morocco, Bitten, okay. Cocoa is that purple, and Goddess. Goddess is this peachy cream color right here. Y'all look at, it was so easy to swatch these colors. Absolutely unreal how smooth they were, how pigmented they are. Really looking forward to doing looks with these palettes. Unbelievable. So I guess my favorite would have to be this one so far, which is the Rose Gold Shadow, and then the Dream, nope, and then the Bright Shadow, and then I don't know about Dreamcatcher. We'll have to see, because some of those, the color payoff wasn't really all that good. Let's move on to the next. Smoke and Mirror brand's waterproof, quick drying, precision liquid eyeliner. Okay. I'm gonna have to see if this compares to my Wet n Wild eyeliner. Right now, I'm big on the Essence. This is a, what, $2.99? $2.99 eyeshadow. Liquid eyeshadow, excuse me, liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna get my light together, y'all. Don't worry about it. But this is just this precision liquid eyeliner. It doesn't say what color it is because I'm assuming that it's black, and the picture shows that it is black. So we're just gonna take it for what it's showing, right? Oh, okay. Oh. Basic little brush. I don't want to put too much because I'm gonna see how it dries. That line was easy to make. Just a basic, simple black eyeliner. That's what it looks like. But let's see if it dries down. It is bleeding in my skin, but of course on my hand, my skin is rougher than my face. I don't have a primer on at all. So we'll see how it goes by the end of the video. I wonder if it dries down matte or shiny. I'm more of a dry down matte type of girl, not so shiny, but you know, it depends on your look. And some people just really don't have a preference. Oh, next is going to be the Duo Stylist Eyeliner Pen. Okay. Ball shaped felt tip, maximum precision. And she's got a little design on her eye there. So I think this is just a pen for those, you know, creative weirdos and extra artsy people like myself. And this is cute. Y'all see the packaging. You see what it looks like. This is super cute. And it's a felt tip. Look. Felt tip with the little round. There it is. And you see how it's a little bit rounded on the end? Let's go ahead and draw a line. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh, I think I hear somebody waking up too. Good thing we're close to this was the last product. That's the felt tip line, and that's the liner line. Hello. Hi, honey. So those are the 2 eyeliners, guys. Once again, this brand is called Smoke and Mirrors, and it's at the 99-cent store, which you guys know I love. So I was so glad to be able to bring you a, you know, just other products from the 99-cent store besides, you know, food products and things like that we know are legit. But this brand is legit. I can't believe I haven't heard or seen anything else about this brand. You gonna help me? You gonna write on everything and make a mess? Anyway, I hope this video wasn't too long. I hope you enjoyed the swatches, and I hope you can that you can find these goodies at your 99-cent store near you. Look out for my 100 subscriber video and giveaway. Okay, guys? Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.